In this video, I'm going to show you how turn on or off TikTok app notifications on an iPhone. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. Let's get started, guys, and we have two different places where we can configure TikTok app notifications, and the first place is our iPhone settings. So now, guys, I recommend you to head over to settings, then just swipe down to show up the search bar, and then search for TikTok. Just like that, that's how we can easily find it. Now I'm gonna get into TikTok app settings, and once we are at that page, we need to tap Add Notifications to get in it. Now here we can configure our TikTok app notifications. First off, we can by turning all that feature. Enable or disable all that notifications for the app. If it is enabled, we can configure it a bit. We can activate or deactivate time-sensitive notifications. Also here we can choose the exact places where we would like to get notifications from the app. We can activate lock screen notifications. We can activate notifications in there, or we can select several items from here, or we can select all of course. Down below here, by the way, we can change banner style. We can switch it from temporary to persistent if we wish to do so here. Also, we can enable or disable sound notifications. And also, we can activate or deactivate badges here. Actually, badges are these red circles over the app icons. And from here, we can turn them on or off for a TikTok application. However, if you would like to configure TikTok app notifications in a more specific way, then you need to tap down below where it says TikTok notifications and you'll be taken to the TikTok app. Notification settings. As you can see, we are at a TikTok app notifications section, and here we can configure notifications we would like to get them. Let's say I don't want to get notifications about new followers. Then I can just stop right here at the total. Also, I can turn off medications about profile views. And also here we can go down to that list. And one by one we can activate or deactivate some specific types of notifications to configure it in the way you'd like to use it. If this video was helpful for you, don't forget to hit the like button